Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use AWeber for email automation, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the AWeber website. Log into your AWeber account using your credentials. Once logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. Locate the Messages tab in the menu on the left side of the screen. Click on Campaigns under the Messages tab. To create a new campaign, select the Create a Campaign button. You will be prompted to choose a template or start from scratch. Select the template that best fits your needs. After choosing a template, you can customize it by adding elements like text, images, and buttons. Ensure you set the subject line and sender information for your emails. Once you are satisfied with the design, click the Save button. Now, navigate to the Automation section in the left menu. Select Create a new automation to begin setting up your email automation workflow. Next, add the actions that you want to occur, like sending a specific email. You can also set delays between actions if necessary. After you've configured the automation, click Save and Exit. Go back to the Automations dashboard to review your new campaign. Finally, test your automation to ensure everything works as expected. Once confirmed, launch your campaign to start sending emails automatically. Monitor the performance of your campaign through the Analytics section to see how it's engaging your audience. Remember to revisit and optimize your campaign regularly for better results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.